our 2-compartment sink with faucet. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 72 inches, a depth of 24 inches, and a height of 43 inches tall. 43 inches counting the splash. Minus the splash, we have a height of 36 inches. Coming to the left and right are the drain boards. Measurements for each drain board will include 16 inches in length by 20 inches in depth. Measurements apply for the left and right drain board. And coming to the center are 2 tubs. Each tub will measure 18 inches in length, 18 inches in depth, by 12 inches in height. Also included for each tub are the drain baskets. Coming to the top will be the swivel head faucet, and the measurement for the center spout will include 12 inches. The left and right faucet mount will measure 9 inches in distance. Coming to the left side will be the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call. Or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product.